We're going to start learning to program the Siemens S7-1200 PLC. And the first thing we're going to need to do is install TIA Portal. There's a 21-day version of TIA Portal available. And while that's not a free version, I did look into it, and Siemens has some very economical options to get you started in TIA Portal Basic, which will program the S7-1200. That's where we're going to start at. And the fastest way to get that trial is just Google TIA Portal trial download and find the latest version of it. And I'm going to put this link into a pinned comment because it gives you two additional downloads. First, we have 4 Step 7 Basic, and that'll do the S7-1200. And then we have 4 Step 7 Professional, and that'll do the 1200 and the 1500, 300, and 400. And also here is the 21-day trial, and that's going to take you right back to the page we are on. And if we scroll down a little bit, there is the trial. And we're going to go ahead and download the DVD 1 and the DVD 2. Now I have a license and the installation is going to be exactly the same. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to select Professional. And the biggest difference is I'm going to get a login. And once you log in, the options that you see will be based off of what licenses are connected to your email. So I have the safety, I have Step 7 Professional, and I have WinCC. And today I'll be downloading our Step 7 Professional. And here are the same 2 basic DVDs that you were doing in the trial. So I'm just going to download these. Once they're downloaded, go ahead and open up the main one and double click on your Start application. The next, and I'm just going to leave it all this at typical and put it in the default directory and just keep going through the standard prompts. And you may get a message saying that you need to reboot your computer. Just follow the prompts. It's really straightforward. And once you reboot, you may get this message right here, and that's because we need to open that ISO file again. So we'll just go back to File Explorer and open up the main ISO file again. And then we can go over here and hit retry. And we have 4 new icons, and this one right here, TIA Portal, that's the one that we're going to be learning how to program Siemens PLCs in. Also, if you have a professional or basic version, you'll use Automation License Manager. But now that we have the software, I want to connect to the S7-1200 and start poking around in it. So I've created this playlist right here with how to connect to your PLC and writing our first program.